Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Malik Wajante and I am so excited to come to you all with this new video. It is back to school time and everybody needs a good go-to makeup look. So we're going to go ahead and start with this good old makeup tutorial. It should take you maybe 10 minutes to get this done, guys. So I'm going to start with my brows and I am using the Benefit Precisely Brow in the color number 4. I do go ahead and fill in my brows as best as possible. I'm not overly trying to shape them or anything like that because y'all, we're just going to class. It's nothing serious. You just want to give it a little definition, a little shaping. So after I go ahead and do that, I am going to use the Wet n Wild concealer, the liquid concealer. It is in the shade Dark. So I am using that. That is my new favorite concealer. It's inexpensive as well as it does cover everything that I'm looking for and it holds very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and use an angled brush from Wet n Wild and go ahead and clean up the bottom of my eyebrows. But I am not going to go ahead and use this on the top of my brows because, honey, there's no point. Once again, we're keeping it cute and simple. So I'm going to use this flat foundation brush and just blend out the concealer, the excess concealer, excuse me, on our brows, and go ahead and make sure we just get it all smoothed out. Next, we're going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. brow gel. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my brows because throughout the day, honey, we do not need these brows to move. We need them to stay where they are. Following, I am going to go ahead and use the Benefit Professional Primer. I'm going to go ahead and rub that in. And I didn't want to use an actual foundation. I wanted to use something that was a little bit easier, which is the CoverGirl Queen CC Cream, and apply that on my face with a good flat foundation brush. Rub that good old in. Now what I will say is with CC creams, they're not like specific as far as what shade, but more of a even shade of light, dark, dark, light, you know, things of that nature. So initially it looked really light and I was like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know if this is for me. But after I blended it out, it was perfection. Like, that CC cream was everything, and it was lightweight. It wasn't heavy. You see that? Like, it's so even, and it covered up what I needed it to cover up. So this is the Wet n Wild foundation that I'm using. It is the Photo Perfection foundation, or excuse me, not foundation, but the concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that underneath my eyes and then down the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to use a beauty blender per se and go ahead and blend out this concealer, honey. Yes, just blend. Look how even and perfect this concealer blends out. Like, I love this Wet n Wild concealer. Now my go-to for contour, once again, we're not doing anything extra. We're going to use the Fenty matchstick in the color Truffle. Go ahead and apply that down the middle of my cheekbones and then down the bridge of my nose, just so we can be a little bit of snatch. You know, nothing too serious. We're not going to the Oscars or the Grammys, nothing like that. We're going to class, guys. We need this to be quick and simple. So I'm going to use a little brush, blend that down. What you do to one side, you need to make sure you do to the other side, honey. So we're going to move in after we blended everything out and go ahead and apply the Revolution banana powder underneath my eyes. Everywhere I put that concealer is where I want to put this banana powder. And apply it, and then just use a different brush to wipe off the excess powder on there so everything is setted and it's just a perfectionist. So after that, I'm going to apply these lashes. These are Ardell Wispies. and it's just a very just natural full lash, so it's not giving me the extra glam look, but it is giving me the drama that I'm needing, because you want to look awake and aware and alert on a day-to-day. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these good old lashes. Now y'all know sometimes lashes don't be doing what you need it to do. So I was working with this one, and then I was like, let me go ahead and apply this other one off camera, because nobody has time to just be wasting memory. For what? What we wasting memory for? So that one was finally staying, and then this lock kept getting in my way, honey. It was a lot, but it's cool. We got both of them on. We still cute. We're going to go in with the e.l.f. blush. This is in the shade Dark. I've been using this blush for I don't know how many years, which is probably not okay, but I still use it because it's just perfect. It's the perfect shades for my face, and I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my cheeks, and then we're going to use the Carli Bybel by BH Cosmetics collab, and use this highlight the dark shade right on the top. Right on the top, y'all. Y'all see it, just pat it in, pat it in. Not too much, because you honestly don't need a lot at all. A little goes a long way. So I have this little angle brush, or comb brush, I guess you can say, but I do go in with my fan thicker brush just to blend it out, so it's not just like I put highlighter just sitting on my cheek. Just, y'all have seen it before. Y'all have seen it. And then the final touch, honey, is this Buxom lip gloss, y'all. This lip gloss is my favorite. It has like plumping in it. Not that I mean my lips to plump anymore, y'all, because they are already juicy. But it gives you like a menthol, minty feel to it, so your lips feel just like warm and tingly. And then we're going to finish off with the e.l.f. setting spray and fanning, honey. And this is the final look. You look awake, you look alert, it's not too much, you don't have foundation on, just a little CC cream. And that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.